Hi, good morning. This is Mike Berkeley, licensed acupuncturist and board-certified herbalist, bringing you Friday's message from the Berkeley Center for Reproductive Wellness. First of all, TGIF. Man, am I glad that it's here, and I know that you are too. So I want to give a little brief mini lecture on FSH, or in particular, elevated FSH. Many patients come to the Berkeley Center with a high FSH, and they're usually distraught because their reproductive endocrinologists tell them that that's an indication of poor egg quality, when in fact, that's not necessarily the case. There have been new scientific studies that have shown that in a woman with elevated FSH, if during an IVF cycle the retrieval of oocytes or eggs is the same in quantity as that of a younger woman, the woman with the elevated FSH has as much possibility of conceiving as that of the women in the general population. Sometimes FSH that's elevated can mean low ovarian reserve. And so what I want to say is, even if you have elevated FSH and it means that you have low ovarian reserve, don't worry. We don't really care, or we're not really concerned with your ovarian reserve. We're concerned with the quality of your eggs. Why? Because you only need one good egg. You know, when a woman gets pregnant when she's 19 years old, naturally, remember, there's just one sperm penetrating one egg, one good sperm and one good egg. So the message today is that just because you have high FSH, in no way, shape, or form does that mean that you cannot get pregnant. With the inclusion of acupuncture and herbs, we've actually seen improved egg quality. Of course, we can't improve egg quantity because you're born with all the eggs you're ever going to have. But certainly we can see some qualitative improvement. And the way that's done is when you give a patient acupuncture and herbs, you're actually facilitating blood flow to the ovaries, or what we say, improving hemodynamics. And blood is simply a messenger that carries oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to the ovaries and the follicles. And it's, after all, the follicles that nourish and support the eggs. So if we can get more blood flow to the ovaries and increased excretion of dead cells from the ovaries, there's a good chance that we can improve ovarian function and improve egg quality. And so I want you to just watch this little segment and watch it with hope in your heart, and know that you have a chance, and know that the Berkeley Center is behind you 100%. And our philosophy, and my philosophy, is every woman and every man, every couple deserves a chance to have a family or to grow a family. So just remember, we're here for you. If you want to speak to me, you can call me at 212-685-0985, and I'll be happy to take your questions. In any event, I wish you a great weekend. It's always nice to speak with you and to give you these messages of love and joy from my heart. And I just look forward to possibly speaking with you and meeting with you, and Godspeed to family. Thanks a lot for watching and listening. Take care. Bye-bye.